Okay, today we're going to demonstrate how to boot your x86 device with Mimic. Mimic is our newest handheld forensic tool, very small and lots of capabilities. So here we have Robert and our customer's Mac, and we're going to demonstrate exactly how to boot. So we hit our BitStorm button under Utilities, and we have our Mimic plugged in through USB 3 to our Mac. We hold down our Alt key to boot the Mac. See here that then the device comes up as a USB drive. I'm going to go ahead and select it and hit enter. I have two Alt keys, one there and one there. Now the Mac will boot our Storm OS. We're fast forwarding through a few of these things. The actual time took about 6.5 minutes to do the whole procedure. We've cut it down to about 4.5 minutes for the video. Fast forward through some of the booting. Once we boot up into our Storm OS, you'll see the BitStorm screen here, and we can do several things, but today we're going to do a data recovery and recover our client's pictures. We're going to put them on that USB 3 device, which is also plugged into the back of the computer. Computer doesn't know it's been booted. The operating system isn't touched. It is forensically sound, if you're interested in that. So we're going to click on our internal drive, and there's our internal drive. We can show the partitions. It defaults to the largest partition, which is that one, which is typically where the user data is. We're going to go ahead and click Next and pick specific files and pictures. Then we'll click Next, our verification screen, and we'll click Go. The software creates a directory map and prepares the path. Then it asks us for an output drive. So here we have our USB 3 1 terabyte WD drive plugged in. Again, you can show the partitions and click on the partitions if you'd like. Click Next. It'll go out and find the drive and then start recovering. This part we won't fast forward through. We found 21,629 files. To show you how fast the actual operation is. We're going through and collecting all of the picture files that we could find on the drive inside of the Mac here, and we're outputting those files onto that USB 3 drive. Some of the other features that we have included with the Mimic: the ability to pause and resume, the ability to erase drives if you need to erase drives. The speeds on the Mimic are about as fast as the interface will allow you to go. That's one of the questions that we always get asked, is speeds, and that's a relative question because you're always a slave to that interface. One of the other features is the ability to write scripts. So if you have a person who doesn't know how to use the device, you can write a script and have them just hit the go button and it'll do what you programmed it to do. Lots of cool features in the Mimic: ability to hash, do a lot of other things with the Mimic, and we keep adding new features. Easy to update the Mimic as well, just through a USB flash drive or thumbstick. Here we are, we've collected all the files. Now we're cleaning up the process. You see we've copied 100% of the user's files. It tells you that we success. You can view the results. In the next version, you'll actually be able to view the pictures when you click on them. Here we just show you the names of the files that were, some of the files that were recovered. And then of course you also can view and save the log, the operations log, which shows you step by step everything that happened, and if there were any errors, and if so, what the file names were with the errors. And that's it. That's booting your PC or your x86 machine. If you have any questions, contact us at info@cprtools.com.